Today, I am going to draw a baseball hat. So Lita gets started. First, draw outline of the crown, top part of the hat. Draw a long curved line. Next, draw one more curved line attached with the crown. Now start by drawing a curved line slightly longer. Then draw one more curved line like this. Next, draw a small curve at the top of the crown to represent the button that holds the panels together. Then divide the crown into sections by drawing curved lines from the top to the bottom along the length of the hat. Draw two curved lines on top section of hat. Now draw little circles one by one. Now draw a slightly longer curved line. Draw stitching lines along the edges of the brim and add texture and realism to the hat. Now, refine the shapes and ensure all lines are smooth and connected properly. Now, go over your marker to finalise the drawing and make it more prominent. Add shading and highlights to give the hat dimension and make it look more realistic. Add any additional details, such as logos or designs on the front of the hat, to personalise your drawing. That's it. You now have a basic baseball hat drawing. Feel free to customise it with different colours, logos or designs to match your preferences. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorials for kids. Now, our drawing is completed. So it's time to add some colours. Common colours are blue, red, green or black, but you can choose any colour you like. Pick a lighter and a darker shade of your chosen colours for shading and highlighting.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. king's horses and